As of Monday, April 20th, 2026, global markets are reacting to a volatile situation in the Strait of Hormuz, where a brief reopening was followed by a sudden reclosure and renewed military tensions. Strait of Hormuz, shipping and geopolitical crisis. The strategic waterway is currently at a standstill, while Iran briefly declared the passage completely open on April 17th. Tensions spiked over the weekend, leading to fresh disruptions. Naval Seizure. On April 19th, the U.S. Navy seized an Iranian-flagged cargo ship, the Touska, accusing it of attempting to evade a blockade of Iranian ports. Iran's response. Tehran has vowed retaliation, labeled U.S. proposals as unrealistic, and Indian ships. 10 Indian vessels safely crossed the strait on Monday, though others remain on high alert. Tanker movement. Despite a general standstill, a single oil products tanker was spotted exiting the Gulf on Monday, while two others, LPG and chemical, entered. For ongoing details on maritime traffic, you can check reports on Al Jazeera regarding how many ships have passed and those that were attacked. Stock market and commodity impacts. Market sentiment has shifted from the optimism seen last Friday to renewed caution as peace talks falter. Oil prices. Brent crude surged over 7% on Monday, recovering much of Friday's plunge as the waterway's closure reignited supply fears. Indian markets. The trading economics report for the BSE Sensex showed the index rising to 78,609 points, a modest gain of 0.15%, despite the regional volatility. U.S. futures. S&P 500 futures fell approximately 0.6% in early trading due to Middle East uncertainty. European markets. Euro stocks. 50 futures slipped by 1.2% as investors priced in higher energy costs. Safe havens. The U.S. dollar hit a one-week high as investors moved away from riskier assets like the British pound. Economic analysis. The UN Trade and Development (UNCTAD) has highlighted that these disruptions could have long-term implications for global trade, especially for energy and fertilizer costs.